Hi. Today I am going to share people often transfer from one place to another for work. What are the advantages and disadvantages for this? When I am thinking about this, people often transfer from one place to another for work. On one hand, we can say that it has some advantages. Workers can gain new experiences, meet new friends, and improve their skills. Moreover, they may get better career opportunities and learn about new culture and lifestyle. On the other hand, we can say that the frequent transfers have some disadvantages. People may feel loneliness, miss their family, friends, and difficult to adjust in new places. In addition, moving often can be stressful and expensive. Therefore, while job transfers can help career growth, they may also create personal challenges. Thank you.